Hi everybody, welcome to Holo-Light. Take number, what do we have now? 387, something around? Okay, no, welcome at Holo-Light. In the center of Europe, we are here in Munich and we have something very special for you today. Peter, what do we have now?
Hi, I'm Peter, lead developer of Holo-Light, and today we want to unbox the Magic Leap we got yesterday.
Yeah, you heard it. We have a Magic Leap here. We got it 24 hours ago directly from the US. There it is. There is the box. And we will do an unboxing video today. So, yeah, what do you expect, Peter, from the next couple of minutes?
Okay, at first a lot of fun.
Sure, it's a Magic Leap.
I tried one before, and I think we got a great device here with more performance than every other device we had before. So yeah, let's test and check out what's going on.
Let's do it. So let's unopen the box. So yeah, hi, here we are. Back from the cutting. We have now one of our opening devices. Peter, it's up to you. Please open the Magic Leap box for me.
Okay, let's first turn this around. And
there it is, the unbroken seal. We did it! It's open. It's quite open, so turn around and give us a glimpse what's inside. Here it is. Wow. That's a pretty nice box, I would say.
I love the smell.
Yeah,
it's like
it's something new.
Yeah.
New technology smells always very good. Yeah. So yeah, here you see the inside of the Magic Leap box, and
that's it.
That's it. So let's close the box. Now, what do we have here? We have a quick start guide here. So they do something like, "Hi, welcome to Magic Leap, Creator Edition." Yeah, we have
two of them.
Two of them. Yeah. So what do you say here inside the box?
Yeah, it seems both the same.
Yeah. So, I don't know, we have two of them. It's inside the box. Oh, that's sticked on it, so we can't remove it. So, let's open it. New worlds are yours for the making. Excellent.
It sounds funny. I don't know if there are really in every box are two copies of that, but it's like perfect for us.
Yeah, I would say that's cool. So yeah, here we have it. That's the Magic Leap. So that's the light pack, the light wear, and the control gear. Very cool.
Very cool.
So let's try to open the next thing. Oh, what's that? Fix kit. That's cool. Oh, a bunch of forehead pads and nose pads. So that's quite good. We have 4 of them. No, 5 of them. That's cool.
And
two
boxes.
forehead pads. And
Then
we have 2 of them. Wow, that's cool. So a lot of great stuff here inside. I would say to compare it with Microsoft HoloLens, I would say that's a good turn.
Yeah, in the HoloLens in the HoloLens package there was 2 headbands, in my opinion.
No, it was just one headband, two pieces and one headband. Yeah.
Yeah, and 1 nose piece.
One nose pad. Yeah, that's it. So nothing to exchange, and after some while it gets a little bit smelly, and I think that's a good thing. We have different stuff here. So what else? Lots of cables, charging cables. Oh, what's that? Oh, cool. Just a band for holding the controller, like the Wii U controller.
Yeah, or something like, I don't know, the Wii controllers have it?
Yeah, they have it.
And yeah.
So it seems we can get a lot of fun with the controller here. So smashing around, playing games, whatever.
Yeah. 1 USB-C
charging cable?
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool. That's very cool. just yeah, something for your clothes, like yeah, a sticker or something. Okay, what we have here again?
A lot of more cables. Maybe I can. Yeah. Don't know.
Yeah, USB to USB cable, USB-C to USB-C cable.
Two of them.
Two of them. I like that kind of stuff.
And the last one is this one, maybe for the charging or something.
Yeah,
else.
the charging. Yeah, that's a good thing. Okay, yeah. So guys, you see, we have a lot of cool fix-it stuff, cable stuff. So they are very well prepared for a lot of good action. I would say the box is quite comfortable and cool. It smells very new, and also from the quality, the box is, I would say, amazing. So the next scene will be, we will get in touch with the device itself. Okay, Peter, I think we got all the accessory, so let's have a look on the light viewer.
Yeah, I will remove it here. Oh, there's something for the eyes, maybe for glasses or something like this. Okay.
There it is. That's
Yeah.
the magic leap.
With the light back here. Okay, cool.
How does it feel? Heavy? What did you say?
The light whirl is not so heavy, like the HoloLens or something.
Okay.
But the light pack it's heavier than the HoloLens, but I don't think it would be a problem because you don't have this on your head. So.
That's true. So yeah. So guys, that's the light there. I would say it's very light at the end. It's amazing. So I think that can be very comfortable. Yeah, I'm a little bit surprised because it's not the easiest way to get your own glasses into the light wear. I think they're doing some such solutions like that. So you get one piece of that, you can clink it in here, and when you go to your glass maker, you can get some glasses into that one, and then you're quite fine. But that's not really the comfortable way, I would say. We prefer. So, but let's see. Let's try it out. But that's just the one thing we have noticed here. Yeah, here the pieces are, I would say they are out of some leather structure here. Feels very good. Haptic feels good, I would say.
The cool thing I noticed is that if you want to set it up, you can push it here, and it's fully fluent how for the size of your head.
That's very good. It's a very fine adjustable.
Yeah.
So we all know also the Decri Smart Glass and the HoloLens solution for that kind of stuff. With HoloLens you can adjust the headband.
I love this solution because you can make it fixed, and then if you don't give it to your partner or something like this, you can wear it the whole time. But I also like this solution. I don't know how comfortable this is if you work longer with this, but currently it seems really cool.
Yeah, and it's not just going in the length, it's also going in the other direction. So if you have a bigger head in all dimensions, it seems to work. So good solution for that, yeah. And the light pack, yeah, that's heavy, that's true. But I think here the half of the light pack, that part should be the battery pack that holds everything alive for at least, I think they're writing about 3 hours, but we will give you some more inputs here in our detailed report. Yeah, looks like they're an active cooling, so maybe there is an active cooler inside.
Maybe a better cooling than the HoloLens, because if you work with the HoloLens a longer time, maybe with a power bank or so, it goes really hot and you feel it. Maybe this is a better solution then.
Yeah, that could be. So also here we will write a very detailed report later on, and we can also give you more details about heat consumption, battery life, and whatever. I also heard that here the parts getting a little bit warm after some time. I think there is the image processing inside for the sensors, the depth camera, and so on.
Yeah. On the sides here, you see there are the speakers.
Yeah, that's cool.
So I think we will have spatial sound here.
Sure, that's cool. Peter, what's that?
I think this is a tracking part for the controller because it uses the magnetic
Field sensor.
Yeah. So for tracking, so this is really cool because so you don't have to be in the side of view, in the field of view of the whole Magic Leap device. Like for example, if we want to have accurate values with the devices for the mixed reality headsets from Microsoft, then you it's only accurate if it's in the field of view.
Yeah.
So I think this is a cool solution for this.
That's a good idea not to use an optical tracking here.
Yeah,
cool.
It's in the Acer device they don't they don't use only the field of view, but for the accuracy it's important. I think
that's true. So here in front we have different cameras. I think a lot of them for the spatial mapping. Yeah. I think also a few of them are for videos. So I also saw some stuff you can link your smartphone with the Magic Leap, and then you can film out of the Magic Leap whatever you're doing. So, but also here we will give you more details later on. So inside there is the nose pad, and this part you can easily remove and exchange it with other parts that maybe fits better to your face size, or after some while you're using the device more longer than half a year, maybe it's good to change it. Okay, cool. So I would say a good package, feels also very, very high quality. Yeah, amazing. What do we have else in the box?
Let's go on. We also have the controller here. And control, it's a little bit heavier than I thought.
Okay.
But it's cool because I love a little bit more heavier controller. But it's cool. It seems like solution between the nunchuck of the Wii and touchpad from for example the Steam controller and so on. So I think it's a cool solution.
And some sort of a mixture.
Yeah, it's really cool. Just right.
Oh. Yeah, it's heavy. That's true. Yeah, I think a lot of goes into the battery itself.
Yeah, but I love having a.
Yeah, I think it's also very clean. If you see, there's just one button, a touchpad. Here you have two controllers. I would say for getting OK.
This is the trigger.
I think that's the home button, or
the home button, and also the back button.
Okay.
And I love the minimalistic style. This because if you are new in mixed reality and want to try something like this, and you would have a more complex and bigger controller like this, maybe you are a little bit uncomfortable with this. And so I think with this minimalistic style, it's good for everyone.
That's true. But the Microsoft controller, there's also a controller inside the Holo-Light.
Yeah.
It's the clicker is also very minimalistic, but we had also a lot of experience with that one, and it's not always that good to be so minimalistic because you have just one button and that's it.
Yeah, not too minimalistic, but you have to find the solution between too complex and too minimalistic.